is around 9 meters actually, and the height is close to 2.5. This is about the shipping.
6 crates?
Yeah, 6.
So electricity, 110 volt?
Yeah, this is for counting.
Okay. And then the Z elevator is 220?
Yeah, the elevator connect to
Electricity.
the counting.
And okay, it plugs into the counting machine?
Yes, yes.
Okay, cool.
And
Weight tracker,
weight tracker, yeah, transformer.
Transformer inside.
Yes.
Okay.
And all of this is the connection we marked
Okay.
before
I like
shipping.
this.
Yeah. And this is the badger. It's a 3-phase.
480. Perfect.
Yeah. Is it same to yours?
Yeah, 3-phase
Okay.
480, right?
Yeah. No plug across the transformer
Yes,
inside.
transformer.
Yeah.
Elevator, electricity from bagger, connection 5-8, bagger machine. Okay, so the bagger hooks up to the bull elevator
Bull
gets
elevator.
power from the bagger. Okay.
Yeah, from this avitation plug.
Okay.
So not
Bagger
very
machine
big power.
always
Yeah,
like this.
that's cool.
And the bow type elevator is like this.
Okay.
And some is the air diameter. So the marked.
12 millimeter.
Yeah.
8 millimeter.
And here is for the lots of the sensor connection for the signal. Each one they need a match to work in a line.
Okay.
It's usually to a counting machine, to the bow elevator, then bow elevator return to counting machine, and bow elevator to the badger machine return something like this.
Yeah, it's very clear and markable. Yeah. That's why we keep doing so many years, and clients always recommend clients.
Oh, and they show how to change the language. Nice.
Because
Operating menu built in.
yeah, and also the password. Because we usually will put on the machine the password, but sometimes the the operator, the worker, they will change the parameter. It's no good, so we put in the file. Only the file can say is like kid, he can say, not the worker. Yeah, so we put it here inside.
Okay.
Yeah. And some so some password.
It's finished.
Yeah, it's finished.